Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a little bit of an update where you could see the Crusty Burger. Crusty Burger has some barriers around its drive-thru so it doesn't go off the drive-thru and go into the farmer's market or hit this patterned color waterway. Comment below what that should be called. Now we have printed some signs, which I'll post a picture of all of them up close later. We have Modular lane sign, that'll go here. We have the zoo Boulevard, that will go right, of course, in front of the zoo. We have Paul's place for the residential area, because my house is over there. And then we have, for my friend Alex, we have Alex Ave, this road here. And then back here we have Main Street. And we have also printed a few more signs, but we have one-way signs right now, a lot of one-way signs. And I've started to make the third floor of the town square. I'm gonna switch out these windows because they don't look very good to those. And then I'm gonna get those pieces to go up here. Lego just didn't have them in stock, so I'm gonna get those and then put it back to its spot. Bye guys, please like and subscribe to Paul's Lego City. Thanks for watching. See you later.